Hey you guys, so I am walking through Dollar Tree trying to pick up a few things. I do have a couple things, not much, but I will show you what I'm getting right now. This is my second store because I was looking for some of the craft paper rolls and I finally found them, but I did pick up a couple other things. So give me a second and I'll show you guys what I picked up. Okay, you guys, so I am out of the store, and like I said, I picked up a few things, but not a whole lot. I didn't see too much that I wanted to get. However, I did take some pictures, so stay tuned to the end of the video because whatever I didn't pick up, I did take the pictures to show you guys. So I am literally kicking myself in the butt because the last time I did the video and I showed you guys all of the fairy garden stuff, and I said I didn't need to purchase any of it because I wasn't going to do a fairy garden this year. However, I saw a different kind of little house for fairies and I had to pick it up because it was so cute. It reminds me of strawberry shortcake. This is definitely new. They did not have the strawberries last year. If they did, I missed them or they sold out super fast. But this is super cute. Look at that house. Oh my gosh. Tell me that is not the cutest. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do a fairy garden this spring. If not, this will go inside of my collection of other stuff. I'm still sitting in the parking lot right in front of Dollar Tree, and it's really busy. So, and then I did pick up this one that says welcome, and I thought this was cute. But also, I was thinking, instead of, if I don't want to do a whole fairy garden, then like if you have some pots that you're planting your plants in, you can actually stick this in the plant, and, have your plant go around it. So it can still be in your plants or in your house or whatever. You don't have to make a full fairy garden, but these are cute. Or if you have a little girl that likes playing, little dolls or whatever, these are super cute or whatever. So I picked those two. And then I also picked up the one that I think is supposed to be like a little acorn, because that's what the top looks like. And I did not see these last year. And you guys know these in Michael's will not be $1. So I did get that one. And those were the only 3 fairy garden things that I saw or that I wanted to pick up. I did see a lot of other stuff, some slides. Oh, no. There is one more. I knew I was forgetting something. Let me find it in this bag. Okay, so I'm going to have to go back in the store because the girl did not put my little figurine in my bag, and I did take a picture of it. I'll show you guys real quick. So I picked that one up, and it was the little clothing on the clothesline, and it was, as you saw, super cute. And I did purchase one, but when she was wrapping these up, because she wrapped these up in this paper, but I took them out, she probably just forgot that one on the register or something like that, because it was kind of small. But I did get that. But I'll show you guys the rest of that stuff at the end of this video. Okay, let me keep going. Then I saw these cute little Cheerios car, and it's a snack container, and it says Cheerios. I guess you can put Cheerios in here, or whatever you want to put in here. But because this one says Cheerios, I did pick up a bag of Honey Nut Cheerios to put in here for Pooh Bear, because I think he'll like that. They also had another container, and I was thinking this one could be for his little goldfish snacks, because he's always taking goldfish with him, and it just basically pops open. Sorry, you guys, I'll be looking around because I'll be trying to see what's going on. But it just pops open, and it's a cute little shark snack container. So I picked that up. Then I saw this Got To Be, and in a previous video I showed you guys the hair gel and the not shampoo, but hairspray. And so I saw this, and I've never seen this in a store before. And it's messy. It says messifying putty for messy styles, choppy layers, and for hold. And it is 3.5 ounces. It looks like that. And it's like some putty. So it's real cold. It smells like hair product. I mean, it doesn't smell like anything, but it says work a dime size amount of putty into dry or damp hair, focusing on roots and ends to create styles. So I'm going to give this a try. When I seen it, I was like, I wonder if I can use this for edge control. So, how you want to, do these parts. So that's why I picked that up. I'm going to try that out. They did have some new candles. I've been on the fence about picking up Dollar Tree candles because the last couple ones I got, they didn't have any throw to them. However, the two that I saw, the Unicorn Magic, which is supposed to smell like sugared marshmallow, when I opened up the container, it smells okay. It's really light. It does smell sweet, but I can't tell you guys the facts about it until I go burn it. But the packaging is super cute. It has a unicorn. And then there was another one that was blue, and it had a mermaid on it. But when I opened that, I really didn't like the whiff that came, the smell that came out of it. So I left that one behind. And then I picked up this one, and it's really cute. It has a little marble jar. It is just a piece of plastic put over the jar. But it says Cozy Sweater. And these are star candles. I wish it was like Bath and Body Works and it tells you the fragrances that are in here. But it says Cozy Sweater. So because of that, I want to give it a try. I can't really tell what it smells like in the jar. I don't know. I want to say like a vanilla or something. I'm not too sure, but it's called Cozy Sweater. So I picked that up just to give it a try. My purpose in going into Dollar Tree is these craft wrapping paper rolls like this. I pick up two, and I use these whenever I'm shipping my Poshmark packages. I like to use this as filler in the shoe boxes so that the shoes aren't like bouncing all around inside of the box. So I put this at the top and the bottom, like I just tear it off and make a ball so that the shoes will stay in place. And I use these a lot. So I had to pick up two, and not all the stores carry those. So I had to get two, and then I did see some more chips. So I did pick up another bag of the Voodoo Heat and then another bag of the Cajun Dill Gator Taters because I like pickle chips. And that's it. That's it for my Dollar Tree haul. It was small. Didn't really see anything that I really just felt like, okay, I need. Lord knows I didn't need these, but I picked them up anyways. But I just cannot get over this strawberry. It just reminds me so much of strawberry shortcake. I just love that. So, ooh. If you're doing like a spring theme or something on your table, you could get a couple of these and put these as next to the place settings or something. I don't know. These are just too cute. So anyways, that's it. Stay tuned for the pictures. I'm not going to keep running my mouth. I'm going to get out of this parking lot. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys are all blessed and having a beautiful week. It's just the beginning. We had a 3-day weekend. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy your week. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.